Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And my name is Abdullahi Ibn Abbas. I'm back again. You are all welcome, sisters and brothers from Mandera County and the rest of Kenyan. You are all welcomed. We are here to share views concerning the current situation in Mandera County. As we have heard that the governor of Mandera County is being calling for a demonstration to go against our security agent. And the rally should be conducted on Wednesday according to the way they have arranged. We are denying, we are resisting, we will not allow our people to go against our security agent. The governor of Mandera County has been accused of abuse of integrity of the office and nepotism. He's been accused of hiring, decrepit instead of, our youth. So many accusations or allegation has been made against him. While now he want to, throw his blame on our security agent, the head of the security, and the internal minister, Mr. Matiang'i, and the county commissioner. Now he's calling for a rally to go against those people. We're not going against the rules and regulations made by our security. We know that our security have an experience to run the ministry. We are very much satisfied with the service delivery that was delivered to us by Honorable Matiang'i. We are also satisfied with the County Commissioner of Mandera. We appreciate their concern, we appreciate their effort of maintaining peace and order. Now that the governor of Mandera is, creating tension, in other words, havoc in our county. We are not exception from other counties. We don't have to deny what our minister, the Minister of Security, has said previously. The minister said that the quarry should be stopped because those people coming from the other counties of the Kenya are targeted when they go and work in Mandera County, especially in Kware. So Matiang'i explained and said that he should not allow any part of the counties, any locals, to be taken to Mandera to be hunted down by wahalifu. He said that non-locals should not be allowed to go and work in Mandera County. That's the safety of the people. It is the safety of the people, and we support that non-locals, wherever they go and work there in Mandera County, they were targeted. They were eliminated. So Honorable Matiang'i, I quoted him saying that, let the locals of Mandera County work the quarry, if the quarry to be opened. But there's no need of taking non-locals from other counties, taken to Mandera, and the result will be killed. So he has a right to protect his he has a right to protect us, to protect the Kenyans. He has the right to protect the civilian of Kenyan civilians from any harm, whether it's from outside or inside. So there is no need of lecturing Mr. Matiang'i about how we run the ministry. You, as a governor of Mandera County, we know that you have failed And now what you are looking for is nothing else but famous. You cannot be famous on this issue, whereby you want to, take our people on the field, then be fired with a tear gas and beaten by our security. We will not allow that. We are telling the governor is wrong to incite the security agent, that he should stop inciting our security. Let the security do their job. We are satisfied with their job. We are abiding by the rules and regulations made by our security, our County Commissioner of Mandera, and Honorable Matiang'i. We have very much appreciated the way they have been running the security, the way they were concerned about us. Now, Mr. Governor, the Governor of Mandera County, you have lost this game. You are fighting a battle that you know that you're going to lose. This battle, I know that you're going to lose. You have already been accused. There's so many allegations. Your case is in court so many times. Maybe you have an hidden agenda against this person, the Minister of Security. Maybe it's one of that case that you have been accused, that case in court that you have been accused. Maybe he has. Yeah. So we are telling you that you have to stop inciting our security. Final. You have to come clean before you accuse others. You cannot accuse an officer or a security or a commissioner or a minister of security that we have seen that they're doing a diligent service delivery to their people. You have been accused of nepotism. You have been accused of abusing the integrity of your office. You have been accused of looting the public fund. You are mischievous. So many allegations have been made against you that you are not fit to be a leader. You are not representing the true agenda of your own people. You are only there for photo session and looting. You are only there for photo session and looting. We are telling you to stop inciting our security. You don't have right to call people to go against security. You don't have right to do that. We will not allow you. So we tell you, whatever you are doing is wrong. Whatever you have done was wrong. Mischief of your office, we have seen how you have been abusing your power. We have seen all sorts of wrong things that you have done to our people and our land. You have to come clean before accusing others. And there's a saying that says, a monkey does not see his naked buttock, but he sees the others. So my friend, you have to see yourself. You have to come clean. You have to abide by the law yourself. You have broken the law. You are going against the law. You are doing so many wrong things to us as a Mandera County. So we are telling you that you should have to abide by the law before you go and accuse innocent people who are running their ministry faithfully and rightfully. Mr. Matiang'i, Honorable Matiang'i is right when he's there to protect his people against any harm. He said non-locals should not be taken to Mandera. That's right. Because whenever they go there, they were targeted. They were hunted down by the Wahalifu. You are there, but you have not shown any kind of, solidarity to those people. You have not made any demonstration when those non-locals were killed in Mandera County. You have not made any demonstration when our doctors have been abducted by Wahalifu. Now you are there to lecture and calling people to go against our security. We are saying no to that. Ya, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mimi nasema hivi kwa wale wenzetu ambao wasikii lugha ya Kiingereza. Juzi tunasikia governor wa Mandera County aliitisha rally ya maandamano ya kupinga au kuenda nyume ya security wetu wa Mandera County au security, mkuu wa security waziri Honorable Matiang'i. Tunasema Matiang'i wametulinda sisi kwa njia inayofaa, wametuongoza vizuri, wanakataa ufisadi wote au wanakataa hamu, wanakataa kinga au anything happen to us. So Matiang'i alisema non-locals hawatapelekwa huko Mandera kwa sababu wanatafutwa na wahalifu na wanauliwa huko. Kwa hivyo njia ya kufungua Kware atikupelekwa non-locals huko Mandera sio safety. It's not a safety. It's not safety. So alisema kwa sababu ya security, kwa sababu ya hao wahalifu kutafuta hao non-locals, hawafai kupelekwa non-locals huko Mandera. Hiyo ni haki. Yeye ni wajibu yake kulinda wananchi wake. Ni wajibu wake kukinga sisi kutokana wahalifu na wezi na vitu mbalimbali. Kwa hivyo tunasema Matiang'i tuna imani na yeye. Tuna imani ya kuwa anafanya kazi yake vizuri. Kama anakataza non-locals wapelekwe huko Mandera, anajua ni sababu gani? Ni sababu ya safety yao. Kwa sababu ya safety. Sasa huyu governor wa Mandera County anawika hapa akisema aite watu maandamano watikupinga au kuenda nyume ya wana security. Hiyo haifai na hatutakubali kamwe. Wa security waachiwe kufanya kazi yao. Tunaunga mkono wa security wetu. Wa security waacha wafanye kazi yao. Tunasema governor yenyewe he has been accused of so many occasions. He has been accused of kwa kuchezea mamlaka yake kwa ofisi, kwa nyanyasa wananchi, kwa ufisadi wa kuipa mali ya umma, kudhulumu. Haya yote imetendeka kwa ofisi ya governor wa Mandera County, na leo anatupa lawama yake kwa Minister of Security Honorable Matiang'i. Sasa sisi hatutakubali. Tuko nyuma waziri wetu na county commissioner wetu wa Mandera County. Maslaha wanaojali ni maslaha ya wananchi wao, wananchi wa Kenya. Hasa non-locals wakipelekwa huko kwa Kware na wanatafutwa na wahalifu wauliwe, governor wa Mandera County hajali na hajawahi jali na hata jali. Kwa hivyo sisi tunajali maslaha ya wenzetu. Non-locals hawatapelekwa huko kufanya kazi ya Kware. Kazi ya Kware waacha ikae. Locals wenyewe wafanye hiyo kazi. Non-locals hawatapelekwa huko kufanya kazi ya Kware ndio wapate wauliwe au wapate madhara ina mbalimbali. Kwa hivyo tunasema non-locals hawatapelekwa. Ni vile waziri Matiang'i alisema, sisi pia tuko nyuma ya waziri wetu wa Matiang'i.